Hello, my name is Viget. I made a game called Hangman in Python. My goal is to make a game by Python that is about guessing the correct words, which is Hangman. Design. The design is used by text and it doesn't have a UI for Hangman. Program. So if you win, then the program would say you win, and that will break the code. Or if you get all of them incorrect, then it will print you lose. And right after that, it's gonna ask you if you want to play again. So if you answer continue, then the code will continue. But if you type anything that is other than continue, then I will just say goodbye. I've tested for 10 times or more. Oh. Rethink. If I have more time, I think I should actually make the UI for the Hangman. Play. Okay, so this is my game. Who wants to make a guess?
A.
Incorrect.
E.
Okay, you got it.
I. I got it.
Oh, okay. Anyone else?
Yeah.
You?
T.
Incorrect.
P.
By the way, you only have 6 chances, so.
Oh, what?
Oh.
There's only 7.
G.
Wise choice.
Oh, incorrect.
Last guess.
Let's guess. U.
Oh, you still have one more, I think.
Okay. We'll try again. And yeah, F.
F? Okay, you lose.
What was the word?
The word, I honestly don't know because I have so many words, but, basically, yeah, that's how you play. So, thank you.